my name is Hitesh Nagarasheth. I am from Manara. So last class we discussed about a topic from 8th standard, that is algebraic expressions and identities. In algebraic expression and identities we already discussed about algebraic expressions, like and unlike terms and types of algebraic expressions. Also we discussed about operations on algebraic expression. In that we discussed about addition, subtraction and multiplication. In multiplication we discussed about multiplying two monomials and two or three monomials. So let us move on to the next part, that is multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Yes, so let us take an example for multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. So here we already know about what is meant by monomial and a binomial. Monomial is nothing but the expression having only one term, and the binomial having the expression with two terms followed with the addition and subtraction. Addition or subtraction means here, just observe here it is a binomial, that is two unlike terms and followed by a addition, and here it is a only single term, that is 7a square b is only single term, only followed by multiplication only. So here it is completely multiplication only, there is no any addition here. So here it is a binomial, here it is a monomial. So the step is same for multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. So let us learn carefully. So how to multiply a binomial with a monomial. Yes. So firstly we have to write in the form of multiplication, that is a plus b into 7a square b. So here it is a one form of writing the expression. So for the multiplication, another one for form is we can write this also, a plus b. So whatever the method you can take, both are correct. So firstly you can take the binomial, it's also correct. After that you can add the binomial, both are correct. So I think this one is very easy for us, because here we are multiplying the monomial with the one of the term of the binomial. So here we are keep on multiplying the same, that is, so here how can we multiply the one is, here it is only the arrow mark I am showing, so don't write in the examination, only for the understanding purpose only I am writing that one. Yes, so this is the complete term, there are two terms here. Yes, so that means here you have to multiply completely with the first term of this binomial. So totally, so whole monomial you have to multiply with the first term, and whole monomial you have to multiply with the second term. So there are two terms possible here, that is after multiplying this term and this terms, here we have one term, and after multiplying this term and this term, so monomial with this term, so we have another term here. So from this multiplication we have this, so here we have this, and after multiplication of these things we have this. So in between those two things you have to write the addition. Whatever the sign we have, so positive, negative, so we have to know about. Yes. So this is the one case, and also you have to aware of the sign. Aware of sign here. If it is this is minus sign, so you have to multiply that one also. Here minus is there, here plus is there. So must and should you have to write the sign. So after multiplication of minus and plus. And here if it is we have minus here, so you have to minus and minus, you have to multiply. So be aware of the sign here also. So here we have these things. The step is same for all the example of multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Here it is. Yes. So here 7a square b into a, and 7 plus 7a square b plus b, that is plus and plus into plus only, 7a square b into b, that is 7a square b into b. Yes, no need of these things. Yes, then here So here a is there, multiplied with a is there, so it can multiply with a only, a square. It can multiply with a square only, that is a 7 into a cube, that is a square is there, here a is there. So here it is 2 plus 1, we have to write, I will directly write it as a cube into b plus 7 a square b into b. B into b means b square, that is 7 a square b square. Yes. There is no any doubt, there is no any when you take the common for both the things, it will appear like this only, there is no any doubt at all. So this is the answer. So that means here it is the thing is, so we have to multiply the monomial with one of the monomial of the binomial, and after that we have to multiply this monomial with another term, so followed with the plus sign. So after that we have to come into the result. So this is about the multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So also we have to move on to the next part, that is multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. We have to take an example for multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Here it is the example. Here just observe there are three terms here. So here it is a trinomial, and here it is only single term. Here it is a monomial. So we have to multiply monomial by a trinomial. So whatever we have, whatever the concept we have, so we have to write our required form, so our suitable form. So that one is, I will write like this, 5a minus 5xy into x plus y minus 5. So here this is the single term, and there are three terms here. So likewise the method we learnt in the binomial, so that means multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So likewise also we have to take, that is 5xy to x here, then this 5 minus 5xy to y, and this minus 5xy to minus 5. So along with the suitable sign. So here it is minus is there, so after multiplication we have to aware of what are the sign possible here. So you have to take. So I will rub this part, don't write again and again this one, because it's understood. Yes. So let us take that one. Firstly, so the first term with the monomial with the first term of the trinomial. So that is minus 5xy into x. Then here we have plus sign. Plus sign we have, then here minus 5xy. So minus 5xy, put it in a bracket. This minus 5xy into y. Then here minus sign is there. Minus of minus 5xy into 5 is equal to. So here minus 5xy into x. So we have to multiply x into x. So that is minus 5x square. X into x is x square. There is no any partner for there is no any term in y here. So that's why we can't multiply with y, any term with y. So here x is there, those are like terms, can easily multiply. Yes. After that it comes into only single term. Yes. Here just observe plus and minus. Plus into minus. So plus into minus only. Then minus here 5xy into y. Here we have to multiply with y. Y into y square. That is 5x as it is only, and we have y square. Then here just observe minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. So 5 we have 5. So that means we have a constant term. So we have to multiply 5 and 5. 5 into 5 25, and xy remains as it is only. Yes. So this is our required result. So here we are multiplied a binomial with a binomial by a monomial by a trinomial. So what are the trinomial we have, what are the monomial we have to take the same procedure. So let us move on to the next part, that is multiplying a polynomial with a polynomial. Sometimes we have binomial and trinomial, binomial and binomial, and so on. So let us, we have to take multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial, and here firstly we have to take the binomial by a binomial. So that means here we have two binomials here. That means the addition of two unlike terms. Subtraction of two unlike terms. That means the expression consists of two unlike terms followed by addition and subtraction. So here we have those two binomials. So whatever the binomial we have, so we have to take the right steps. So here it is, the step is very simple. That is, one of the binomial initially one of the binomial you have to consider as a monomial. So initially, so this is the note. Don't write in every problems, only you have to know the knowledge of that one. So because you have to write in the examination, so at that time this note will be helpful to you. Don't write in the examination also this point. Note it is, consider one of the binomial as monomial. One of the binomial as monomial. So here whatever you can take. So here x minus 4 also you can take, consider it as a monomial, and 2x plus 3 also you can take it as a monomial. And here firstly we have to write it in a form of multiplicity. Here I will consider x minus 4 as a monomial. Firstly I will consider x minus 4 as a monomial. Or you can take x plus 2, x plus 3 also you can take it as a monomial. Here I will consider 2x plus 3 as a monomial. So I will write it in a form 2x plus 3 into x minus 4. Yes. So we already know that multiplying monomial by a binomial. So that means completely. So this complete expression you have to multiply with the first term. You have to multiply with the first term. That is, I will write this x first and then I will write this term, x into 2x plus 3. So here I multiply this term completely with the first term of the binomial, and then here we have a negative sign. Here we have a negative sign followed by a negative sign. We have to write like this, and after that, in the second step, we have to multiply this whole term with the second term of the binomial. So that is 4 into 2x plus 3. Here it is, this step is over. So here the structure, it is a multiplication of monomial with the binomial. Here it is a multiplication of monomial with the binomial. Here it is. So before we consider this term as a monomial, here after these steps we have to consider it as a binomial. Here it is again the same step. We have to take it in a 2 times here. So x into 2x, x into 3x. That means here we have to take the same step, that is multiplying monomial with a binomial. Multiplying monomial with a binomial. Likewise. So let us take that one. So x into 2x. X into 2x. So plus sign. We have to plus sign there. X into 3. That is x into 3. Then here we have to be careful about that one. Here minus sign is there. So be careful about that one. So we have to take minus 4 completely. Minus 4 into 2x. Minus 4 into 2x. Then here it is plus is there. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus only. Minus 4 into 3. So you have to aware of that one. Yes. So after that we have to simplify. X into 2x. 2x square plus x into 3. 3x. Here minus. Minus 4 into 2. It is 6. 6 or 8? 8. 8x. 4 into 2, 8, and x remains x here. So 4 into 2, 4 into 2x, 8x. Then minus into plus, minus 4 into 3, square. 2x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 12. So here it is a 4 terms are there. Whether there is any simplification? Yes, here it is possible. Plus 3x minus 8x. So these two are like terms. We can simplify again. That is 2x square plus 3x minus 8x. It is minus 5x minus 1. So the multiplication of 2x plus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 2x square minus 5x minus 2. So that means here we have two binomials, we have to multiply two binomials. In that, one of the binomial, firstly initially one of the binomial considered as a monomial, so then we consider it as a multiplication of monomial with a binomial. After that, after the first step, we have to consider that monomial. Before we consider monomial, so we have to consider it as a binomial in the next step. So here it converts into monomial into binomial, monomial into binomial. After that, we have to take the same steps here. So we have to simplify like this. So I hope you understood this thing. So let us move on to the next part, that is multiplying a binomial with a trinomial. Then let us take the last part of this multiplication of algebraic expression. So after this part we have multiplying a trinomial by a trinomial. Likewise it is continuous. Here it is a multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. So after that multiplying a trinomial with a trinomial. So multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial, that means 4 terms, 5 terms, that one also continue. So here we have to know the right step. We have to know the best step, best possible step we have to take. So already we learned that multiplying a binomial by a binomial, in that we have to consider one of the binomial as a monomial. So here what we have to do is here it is a binomial is there, here it is a monomial is there. There are two chances are there. That means you can consider binomial as a monomial or trinomial as a monomial. But it is very easy when you are taking the trinomial as a monomial here. Trinomial is a monomial, when we take that one, so it is very easy to solve. But when we take the binomial as a monomial, it's also easy, but some time consumption is there. So that's why you have better, you can take any method. So whatever the method you can take, you have to take the right steps. Okay, so here, so note, or I will not taking that note, because you can consider trinomial as also monomial or binomials are also monomial. So here we have to continue with the operation. That is, here I am considering trinomial as a monomial. It is here, firstly I will write the trinomial a square plus 3a minus 5 and a minus 7. Here the trinomial is a monomial, so multiply monomial with one of the term of the binomial, that is equal to a into, here I am writing the a first here, then I will write this thing, a square plus 3a minus 5, and then here minus 7 is there, minus 7 into, so the same thing, a square plus 3a minus 5, a square plus 3a minus 5. Yes. So here it converts into monomial into trinomial and monomial into trinomial. So we can take the same step, that is a into a square, that is a cube. Then plus here. So then 3 into a into a. So a into 3 into a. So that means you can write like this also, a into 3a. Then minus 5 into a. 5 into a. Then minus, here you have to be careful about that one because it's a minus sign. So that's why you have to take minus sign completely. Minus 7 into a square here. Then minus 3 plus 3a. That is minus 7 plus into plus 3a. Then here minus 7 into minus 5. Minus 7 into minus 5. Be careful about the sign. Yes. So here a cube remains as it is, plus a into 3a. 3a into a. That is 3a square. Minus 5 into a. That is 5a. Minus 7a square. Here minus 7 plus 3. Minus into plus minus. 3 into 7 into 3, 21. A remains as it is. Then minus into minus plus 7 into 5, 35. Yes. Then after that we have to reduce. After that we have to solve. That is a cube here. There is no any partner for a cube. Then plus 3 square is there. Whether there is any partner for a square here? Yes, here it is. Minus 7 a square. Minus 7 a square. Then there is any partner for a? Here it is. Minus 5a minus 21a. So along with the sign you have to take. So then only one constant term, that is plus 35. Yes. Then we have to simplify. A cube 3a square minus 7a square, that is minus 4a square, then minus 5a minus 21a minus 26a plus 35. So this is the answer. So when you multiply this, a square plus 3a minus 5 into a minus 7, that is multiplication of binomial by a trinomial. So here it is. So this is the one example we proved. So likewise we have many examples. So you have to solve according to the steps. So I hope you understood these things. So you have to solve all the problems in the exercise. So what are the doubts you have to clarify. Okay. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification very easily. So also like this video. So thank you one and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.